In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create different voices using Suno AI. First, we start by launching your web browser and heading over to Google, a simple and straightforward way to begin our journey. Once there, in the search bar, type in Suno AI. You might wonder why we're going through this well-traveled route, but it's essential for finding the service we're going to use to create your custom voices. As the search results populate, look for the official Suno AI website and click on it. Being on the correct website ensures that you are navigating the right platform and setting the stage for a successful project. Now that you're on the Suno AI homepage, our next step is to sign in. If you're not already registered, you may need to create an account, but assuming you have one, simply click on the Sign In button to log into your account. Once you're in, you will want to head to your library. The library is where you store and access your vocals and projects. Here, you can select the song to which you'd like to add different voices. Choosing the right song sets the tone and context for your voice editing experience. With your song selected, it's time to click on Remix. This opens up the options you need to modify and add voices creatively. A helpful feature you will use is the Reuse prompt. Clicking on this allows you to utilize previous settings or adjustments you might have made, saving time and ensuring consistency across your projects. Now it's time to direct the AI by typing in the appropriate vocal roles. Start with John. This name prompts the AI to employ a male voice for the selected parts of your song, adding depth and variation to your track. Next, type in Emily. By doing so, you're instructing the AI to apply a female voice, creating a balanced contrast with the male vocals. Once you have set your vocal designations, click on Create. This is the moment where your inputs get processed and the AI works its magic, blending your choices into the existing song seamlessly. The beauty of using AI in this creative context is its ability to bring complex vocal interactions to life with relative ease. Finally, navigate back to your library, and there you'll find the updated song with its new vocal lines. Two distinct voices melded into a single piece. Hearing your work come together this way can be very rewarding, transforming your original song with minimal effort. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Suno AI to craft songs with personalized and varied vocal elements.